iPad. Are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
These are our dry erase boards. Everybody should have one at home, and everybody will have one at school. They are also called a whiteboard. Why do you think they're called a whiteboard?
They're white.
Because they are white. So please take care of there's special markers that go with this whiteboard, and you will find them in your pencil pouch that you have at home. Here is my special marker, and I'm going to ask you, it's so easy to lose your cap. So you see how it has a bubble on the top of your marker? Pull that off, and there's a hole in the back of the marker, kind of like the butt of the marker. So put that bubble right there in that hole. And that's good. It helps make your fingers strong when you do that. So that's exercising your fingers. So there's one thing that I want you guys to make sure you promise me when you're at home that you do not do. What is it, you think?
We can't tackle.
Please do not bang your dry erase marker on your board. This will make the tip of the marker go down in, and it will be broke. These things kind of cost a lot of money. So it doesn't take much for you to touch your board, and then it leaves a mark. But you can draw on this and erase it and draw something else. Practice writing your name, practice writing your numbers. We've been talking about circles. Everybody should be able to make a circle. Just go down and around and close it back up. That's one circle. Let's see if we can make 3 circles. So I've made 1. Here is 2. And then 3.
I make it 3.
And if this is an easy skill for you to do, then you can just come down here and write your numbers. Straight line down, and then you're done. That's a 1 for 1 circle, and then a 2 for 2 circles, and then 3. When you're done writing shapes or numbers, you can use your eraser to erase your board, and maybe draw a picture about you. When you look in the mirror, what do you see?
Eyes.
You have eyes, but where are your eyes at?
On our face.
On your face. So we need a circle for a head or for our face. And I don't even have to push down hard. And then Weston, you said eyes. So we have 2 eyes, right? Everybody make 2 eyes. What else do we have on our head or on our face?
Notice.
A nose. So you can put a nose. Some people just put a line. You can maybe put a hook. What else do you have on your face that we need to add?
A mouth.
A mouth. And this is where you can draw whatever kind of mouth you want. Are you happy? Put a smiley face. Are you sad? Maybe you can put a frowny face, or you can put a tear coming out of your eye. Add detail to your drawing. So when somebody looks at it, they know exactly what they see. I'm really happy today because I get to see you and my pre-K kids. So I've got a big smiley face.
Say something about the markers having X, using them only on there.
Remember, these markers can only be used for our dry erase boards.
They're the ones that have the letter X on them.
Yeah. We don't use these on paper. We don't use these on tables, or
And we only use the X ones
only
on the
our
mark.
whiteboards or our dry erase boards.
And only the X ones work on the dry erase board. Don't want to use our other markers.
So do we just walk around on like our heads? What else do we see?
Body.
Yeah, so let's make like an oval body, because we have an oval body. What are some things that come off our body that we need to add to our body?
Dude.
Well, we can't just put shoes down here. What comes off our body that our feet and shoes are on?
Wait.
Our legs, yeah. How many legs do we have?
2.
you said feet.
Yeah.
And then you said shoes. I have bows on my shoes. Feet, shoes. What do I use to draw?
A pencil.
What do I use to draw? Yeah, that. But what do I need to be able to hold that pencil?
Bottom like this.
My fingers. And then if I have fingers, what do my fingers have to be on?
Arm.
Yeah. So let's make 2 arms because our arms come off our body, right? A lot of times I see people putting arms off their head. My arms don't come off my head. My ears come off my head. So my arms come off my body and my shoulders.
I don't make my arms on my head.
Don't do that. So here's my thumb, and I have a thumb and 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, so a total of 5. 1, 2,